Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spawning video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys all about the Red Lightning Heuchera from the Growing Colors company. So let's jump right into this video. If you guys are new to my channel, the Growing Colors company is a wholesale company that provides perennial plugs and liners as well as flowering bulbs and bare roots for nurseries out there that like to grow their own plants. And I was able to partner with the Growing Colors company before. They're an amazing company. Their plants are very high quality and they have a tremendous amount of varieties of plants to choose from. So I'm gonna be discussing about their Red Lightning Heuchera today that they sent me. The last video I made was an unboxing of all the plants I have. So if you're interested in that video, I'm gonna leave that video link down below for you guys to check out. So I'm gonna be discussing with you guys the care tips behind this beautiful Heuchera, how to pot up the type of plug it has, and a little bit behind the Growing Colors 2023 Spring Catalog. So let's jump right into this video. So starting off this video, I do want to discuss about the Growing Colors 2023 Spring Catalog. I was able to review this catalog multiple times before. I was able to check out their 2022 catalog, and now I'm able to check out their 2023 catalog as well. I'm super glad to have these because you're able to go through and look at all the beautiful varieties that they have in store for you guys, as well as how to plant up the plugs and such not. So today we're going to be focusing on pages 3 to 5. Which is how to pot up your plugs. If you're a first-time nursery that is using the Growing Colors company, you'll receive one of these catalogs, and the first 5 pages you'll be able to learn everything about how to grow your plugs, what pot size you should use, what type of soil you should use. So the page we're going to be focusing on today is page 2, which is their jumbo 3-inch plugs. I'm gonna be potting them up in a 2-gallon size container for 8 weeks until they're ready to be planted out in the garden, or for it to be sold, which that's the main reason why nurseries use them. So we discussed about the Growing Colors catalog, so now let's discuss about to pot them up. So I brought the camera more closer to show you guys. So here is the plug right here. I'm gonna go ahead and disturb this root system very slightly, very little bit, like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make a proper sized well for the plug. Doesn't have to be too deep and doesn't have to be too shallow. So you're gonna make your proper sized well like I did right there. You're gonna put your plug in there, tap the sides, make sure all the soil is all around. And if you have any gaps anywhere, you can feel free to just fill those up with soil like I'm gonna do here. Just fill it up. Then you're gonna go ahead and get your tag right here. You're gonna place it in there and you are done. Super easy to do. Now let's talk about care tips. So Ultimate Gardeners, a few care tips behind the Red Lightning Heuchera is the tag tends to have all the information behind here, but if you're a new time gardener, I'm gonna go ahead and just make it easier for you guys, and I'm gonna read down here. The description for the Red Lightning Heuchera is huge gold leaves with fiery red veins in the summer. Color holds well throughout the season. The charming white flowers in the summer are a bonus. Great description. So the bloom time where these white flowers tend to bloom is in the summer. The water, they like to go ahead and keep their soil evenly moist, so I would recommend watering one time every 3 to 4 days to constantly keep that soil evenly moist. Hardiness zones is from 4 to 9. Sun exposure is part shade to full shade. The height, the official height is going to be 11 to 18 inches, and the width is 16 inches because this is most likely like a ground cover type plant because they tend to be more bushier other than height wise. So that's super easy for the care tips. You don't really have anything more to do. These are going to be placed in my greenhouse for the 8 weeks because they like humidity and such not, and where they're more protected from pests than any critters out there. So that's going to be it for this exciting spawning video, you guys. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, a huge shout out to Growing Colors for partnering with us on this video. I had so much fun filming this video and I can't wait to make more videos behind the other 2 plugs I have to show to you guys. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.